Hello everyone. Today we're gonna solve frequent words problem. This problem is asking us to solve most frequent strings. So, for example, if we have this word, right, we're gonna count the frequency of each of the word. For I, we're gonna have the frequency of I is 2, and for love, have the frequency of love is as well. Yeah, yeah. For lead code and coding, gonna have the frequency of them one one. So we're gonna return the frequency of k equal to, which means that we're gonna return these two words. And for the second case, we're gonna have the day day is sunny, the so gonna have frequency equal to 2, the frequency gonna be equal to 3, the frequency equal to 4. So whenever we meet new string, we're gonna increase the frequency of them by 1. For sunny, 2. For is gonna be 2. Is gonna be 3. Finally, they gonna be, and one we're gonna return all of them because uh, so. And if we have the frequency is equally, we're gonna return them by alphabetical orders. So how can we do that? First of all, we're gonna use a key value data structure. Use a key value to store the frequency and original string. This is the first step. So to do that, a other map is plus string and frequency. Then next step, we're gonna create a data structure to store frequency and string, and then we're gonna sort it together. Gonna create a vector of frequency and original. Then we're gonna sort them by frequency, compare by frequency, and if we have equally frequency, we're gonna alphabetical, right? Lexical, ethical, and then finally we're gonna return first k element in our approach in our array. To do that, first of all, we're gonna loop through all of the words first to count frequency. Of the of each word by one, and we're gonna loop through all of the pair key value, and then we're gonna put them in our vector pair frequency string frequency and the word together. Frequency, put the frequency mapping. Like first of all, we're gonna push the frequency first. So 10, Then we're gonna start a frequency word mapping. And because the built-in function will sort both them increasingly order, but we want to let's say we want to make sure that it's scored properly. We're gonna write another compare function to do it. We write this one compare function. It's gonna receive a pair of measure on the left hand side, left hand, right hand side. And what we're gonna do is left hand side dot frequency dot first, and right hand side dot frequency. And then if we have both of them, we're gonna consider second one in alphabetical side. Second, we're gonna sort them by alphabetical order. Second, left less than the right hand side. So I think that's all for the short. Last one gonna be who's gonna guess a first element, right? And we move through 0 and then k. Then we got I think we need vector or dot dot frequency mapping word. Okay. Second, finally, port right here. That's all for the implement. And then for the time complexity, it's gonna go and and a number of the word, and the space complexity. Let's see, and as well. And this problem is a sorting Hashmap string, maybe a little bit of abstract, because we need to rewrite comparison and vector as well. That's all for problem. Unordered math. Frequency. Perfect. That's all for this question, and I hope it helps you guys.